Thingworx is the market-leading technology for bridging the physical and digital worlds. You can implement smart connected operations, smart connected products, and deliver industrial solutions and AR experiences faster and easier than you've ever thought possible with Thingworx 8. Imagine being able to connect to the industrial assets in your factory, stream data into Thingworx, and build your first app with that data in no time at all. Powered by Kepware, Thingworx industrial connectivity now seamlessly brings native communication and translation support for over 150 different protocols. The Thingworx platform provides a broad spectrum of analytics capabilities, and we've made it incredibly easy for you to begin getting value out of your data with native anomaly detection. This increases the available machine monitoring capabilities by automatically learning what normal behavior is and raise alerts when something is abnormal, all in real time. Only Thingworx provides the flexibility to complement the cloud infrastructure that you may already have, gain insight from that data, and then use it to drive unbelievable value across the enterprise. We've made this better with Thingworx 8 by providing deeper, native integrations to technology from our leading IoT partners like Microsoft, Amazon, GE, and OSIsoft. The Microsoft HoloLens brings people and places and objects from your physical worlds and digital worlds together. And only with Thingworx Studio can you build experiences for the HoloLens in minutes instead of weeks. You can present intuitive instructions like these and ensure that technicians and operators can perform them safely with their hands free. This is going to fundamentally change the way that people interact with the physical and digital worlds around them. The power to make that change, to fundamentally redefine the way that we communicate and present information, is in all of your hands with Thingworx 8.